Hello, future CAs. For you to become a future CA, one thing students actually miss out is test series. Are they really that important, sir? Let me give you two stories. No. Let me give you two facts, and based on these facts, you decide for yourself if they are important or not. Let me know in the comments at the end of the video what you feel about this, guys. What are these two stories? Let's go back to our good old school days. Whichever class you were in, 10, 11, 12, all those good memories, CBSE or state board, we had so many exams, quarterly, half yearly, annual, correct? Because of all those exams only, board exam became easy. Now visualize, there is no quarterly, half yearly and annual exams for you, and directly you go write the board exams. Do you think you would have had the same confidence? No. That is the mistake you do in CA exams, where you directly go for the attempt and feel as if that's the main exam without practice. So there is a saying that says, practice makes you perfect. Yes, even the best cricket players go and practice in nets. You're not practicing, not writing test, directly going for exam. Sir, okay sir, CA is not school, no sir. We were kids back then. We are professionals now. I know how to manage, sir. Go to YouTube. Search for CA, All India rank holders interviews. You will find many. Or ask anybody who cleared in the first attempt. Everybody will tell their secret is they took up a lot of test series. Sir, then what about repeaters, sir? We never took any test series. We are still clearing in second, third or fourth attempt. Simple. You may be offended, but I am sorry to say this. Those who may take multiple attempts, every main exam for you becomes a test series. For example, you will write first attempt, you will make some mistakes, you will realize after results, you will correct that and then go to the second or third attempt. Instead, write test series now, make the mistakes, realize it here and rectify that in the main exam and save yourself one attempt and you can clear in the next attempt itself. You tell me if these are facts or speculation, guys. Okay. Now let me introduce you to Dheera bridge test. I only want you to get an awareness. Before I explain what is this Dheera bridge test, whether you need it or not, let me give you the benefits. Meaning if you watch the video till the end, no. If you take up test series, what is going to be the benefit for you guys? Number one is going to be accountability. You have someone to be accountable. In school days, we used to be scared of unit test half yearly marks. So at least because of test, you will study. Second, it brings discipline. Before, my parents used to wake me up. So I used to easily wake up. Now it is difficult because parents are not waking me up. Like that, when you have a scheduled test or unscheduled test to follow, some discipline comes. Somebody is there behind you to do a certain things, then discipline will automatically come. Only very few students have self-discipline. Sir, what is this SPAR, sir? I am waiting for this SPAR only. That's why I came to this video. What is this SPAR in bridge test? S stands for speed, P stands for presentation, and A stands for accuracy. Instead of you writing the main exam and realizing time is not enough, I am losing marks in presentation, conceptually I am not getting full marks, accuracy I am losing marks in conclusion. During your preparation itself, you will get marks. We will give you a SPAR score. How to improve speed, you are lacking in presentation or not, you are lacking in accuracy. So during your preparation itself, if you can identify your SPAR score, then main exam you will definitely do better. So what is this Dheera bridge test, sir? Please explain. I will try to keep it very simple, like an awareness video. You can take a call at the end. Idea is to bring back the school test back for you in CA. We are going to give you quarterly exams, half yearly exams and annual exams. You can take this for a single subject or for full group 1, group 2 or both. However you take it, for each subject, we are going to give you 7 tests, guys. First quarterly exams, 4 tests of 25% syllabus. The syllabus will be broken down into 4 parts. You will write 4 tests whenever you want during your preparation. Once you are done with these 4 tests, each is for 50 marks, you will move on to half yearly. 2 tests of 50 percentage syllabus, 2 tests each 100 marks, and then finally annual exam, nothing but your mock test in CA. You will write 1 test of 100 percentage. So you will write 7 tests per subject. At least, if not 7, if you target for 7, you may end up with 3 to 4 tests. That itself will be a great achievement instead of writing 0 test, guys. Few common doubts that you have, I'm going to answer now. Sir, what is the schedule of the test? Is there a fixed schedule? No. I always believe that you are not robots and all of you cannot write test on the same day because you have different preparation styles. So we give customized schedule for each student based on your preparation level. Once you sign up, our team will reach out and you will connect with us for customized schedule. We will send you guides for that. Online mode is very much feasible. But if you are in Chennai, offline also is possible. Any day you can come and write the test. We are open on all the days. Evaluation, once you submit the answer paper in the website, within 3 to 4 working days, you will get the evaluated paper with feedback, guys. Sir, where do I take it? What is the syllabus breakup? If you go to Dheera test website, you will find it over here. Quarterly exam, test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4 breakup for accounts. Then 50% test for accounts, then test 7 for accounts. Similarly, paper 2, law, test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4. I told you 7 tests, all the 7 tests. So you will find it for each of the subjects in our website under the syllabus schedule page. Where do you sign up? You can come to the Dheera test website, and over here you can find 2 options. You can take bridge for group or bridge solo. If it's one subject, it's very affordable, just 999 for 7 tests. And if it's for the whole group, it's even more affordable. It is just 1499 for the whole group, guys. So that's about it. Whatever doubts you have, let me know in the comments, guys. I will definitely help you out. We will be sharing more videos on these test series. Being very honest, as faculty or as an academy, we do not make much money in test series, guys. Even if you go to the website over here, in the home page, I would have written down over here, the purpose of Dheera test I would have mentioned over here. Look at this. Dheera test is an initiative. You can see the paragraph over here where whatever money we make, 50% goes back to the students only. We have a team of students, CA final students, qualified CAs or CA inter students who help in the whole operations. So students only help us run this and the money goes back for students, guys, with our overseeing. So test series is never for money. It is only to help students have the discipline and write test. That's about it. More about Dheera test, you will find videos over here. You can go access them. Thank you, guys.